Energy. We now know that to do any kind of work, we need energy. We must have energy to accomplish work, but the question is, where does this energy come from? The sun is the biggest natural source of energy to us. Many of our energy sources are derived from the sun. Energy sources are classified into two groups: non-renewable and renewable. Most of our energy comes from non-renewable energy sources: coal, petroleum, natural gas, propane, and uranium are non-renewable energy sources. They are used to make electricity, to heat our homes, to move our cars, and to manufacture all kinds of products. These energy sources are called non-renewable because their supplies are limited. Renewable energy sources include biomass, geothermal energy, hydropower, solar energy, and wind energy. They are called renewable energy sources because they are replenished in a short time. We use renewable energy sources mainly to make electricity. An object having a capability to do work is said to possess energy. The object which does the work loses energy, and the object on which the work is done gains energy. The energy possessed by an object is thus measured in terms of its capacity of doing work. The unit of energy is, therefore, the same as that of work, that is, joule. 1 joule is the energy required to do 1 joule of work. Sometimes a larger unit of energy called kilojoule is used. 1 kilojoule equals 1000 joules.